Hey Rob, guys, here checking in from Tip Top Social Digital Marketing. How's it going? What's up, guys? So, how do you run a Facebook ad in 2020? I'm gonna be going over this very short, very simple. I'm gonna try to be concise as possible. And this is for anybody who has a restaurant, anybody who has a business, anybody who's in entertainment. If you're a chiropractor, if you're a dentist, you're an insurance agent, you're in real estate. These are the people that I want to work with, And I know businesses are closed right now. Some businesses are open. Wild. But I just heard that, we're going to be in quarantine for like a whole another month. And, what are you guys doing? People that have businesses, what are you guys doing to advance your business? When businesses open back up again, are you going to be ready to jump right back in? Because, it's going to take a long time for people to catch up. And, you want to be ahead of the game. You want to, fix up your social media marketing. If you need somebody to help you with social media management, let me know. There's so many people online, so many things on Google. It's ridiculous. But yeah, today I'm going to be going over how to set this up. It's going to be from beginning to the end. Very simple. And we're going to be using a website called business.facebook.com. And I'm going to be using Jordan as an example ad. So when I log in, I'm going to have to log in incognito because I already have a profile. But basically, when you guys log in, go to business.facebook.com. And this is going to show you, once you log in here, you link your Facebook profile to your business page. Doing that, it's going to create a business manager. And it's going to create an ad account. So basically for you to run ads, to manage them, to monitor them, to, adjust, edit them, however you want to do, whatever you want to do with the manager. But you need to have a login to this website. Now, for time's sake, I already logged in to mine. This is mine right here, my digital marketing agency. It's going to bring you to this page once you log in. These are my ad accounts, projects that I already worked on in the past. But to run the ad, you have to go to Ad Manager, and it's going to bring you to this page, the campaign level. Create a new campaign. Now, it's going to start off with marketing objectives. There's brand awareness, there's traffic, engagement. You want to get likes and comments. There's, you want to start a lead generation. You want to collect some leads. You could fill out a survey. You could have people answer questions. And, Facebook has all this artificial intelligence, and it collects data on people's consumer habits and algorithms, all this type of stuff that Facebook has data on people. Next thing is what I'm going to be going over today is conversions. Conversions is basically pulling people from Facebook from their habits to make a sale or to opt in into people's subscriptions, or you want people to sign up for their blogs or sign up for people's websites. Get people to make a sale or a purchase on your website. This is the campaign that you would use, a conversion. So moving on, you're going to name your campaign, keep it short, simple, clean. For this example, I'm going to call it Jordan Shoes. Keep it location, Chicago, gender, male, women, ages 18 through 45. Very short, clean. Keep it organized. The next thing is you want to click this campaign budget optimization on. This basically has you set up your daily budget. Now, for this example, I'm going to be using $100 per day. I wouldn't do that unless you're a bigger company. I'd probably spend about $10 to $20 a day, depending on the campaign. So personally, this is an example of what I would do for my business. Next thing, it's going to bring you to the ad set. This is where it talks about audience and placements and budget schedule. It's going to show you the size of the audience over here. So right now I'm going to have it set to come to my website. And again, you want to have your pixel installed so that you could choose what conversion that you want. Like I was talking about earlier, you want people to donate, subscribe, you want them to purchase, whatever it is. For this example, I want to get leads. I want people to sign in to my form on my website, so I could work with more people. Again, then right here, you're gonna click on, I turned this off earlier, but it's gonna be off, but you have to turn it on, dynamic creative. I'm gonna go over that a little bit later in the ad creative. So next is your audience size. Audience details. So you're gonna have the location set in Chicago, Illinois. I want the age to be 18 to 45, gender, all men and women, and I want English speakers. It's gonna give you potentially about 3 million people, which is their reach in Chicago, that are on Facebook. Next thing is the placements. It's gonna be on automatic, so you wanna place it on manual. Put it on Facebook and Instagram. Anything else is probably gonna be wasting money. And yeah, you really don't need to put it on anything else. Maybe you want to put it on stories, but yeah, people don't really watch ads on stories. They're gonna skip right through that. But yeah, put it on feeds. Put it on your Instagram feed, Facebook feed. With that data, it's estimating that the result's going to be about 5,000 to 16,000 people per day. Your ad's going to reach that much people a day with $100. And you can get 65 to 187 conversions, whatever type of conversion that you chose. You could get potentially that many, depending on what your product is and how creative your ad is, how creative the picture is or the video that you're showing. You could choose to put what kind of devices, if you want to use Android or iPhone. And then you could run your set continuously starting today. Very clean, short, and simple. Next thing is going to be the ad creative. Like I said, I'm going to be going over at Jordan. So go to Facebook. I'm going to get some inspiration from a Jordan ad. So you can go on any product, any service, anybody's Facebook and see if they're running ads. Scroll down, you go to their page transparency, and scroll down from here, and it's gonna say ads from this page. This page is currently running ads. Go to their library. It's pretty dope. You can see this is basically like people's TV channels. But once you click on that library, I already have some stuff open right here. So yeah, they got this white on white 0.3 Jordans, all fresh, all sick. I'd buy that based off of an ad I saw. Definitely get that. They also got the black ones with the red on the bottom. Oh, those are sick. So yeah, I know Fortnite got this huge thing going on with Travis Scott. Did this huge thing on Facebook. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that thing went crazy on Fortnite today. But yeah, they advertised this, and they put it on Instagram and Facebook, so it's pretty dope. Everybody was on that, all the millennials and the kids. So next thing, I'm gonna go back to my creative. And yeah, you want to select what page you want to show on your ad. I'm gonna have my business page, Tip Top Social. Link your Instagram account. I don't want to link it right now. I'll link it if I wanted to run the ad through there too. Go to media, and you can choose what images you want to put. I already selected the Jordan shoe, but this is where you can upload what type of images you want, what type of videos, any of that. And it gives you 10 images or videos that you could potentially use. You could test 10 different images, and that's what I said earlier. When you turn on that dynamic creative, the thing I was talking about earlier, you basically let Facebook optimize what image and what headline is the best. And scroll down here. This gives you what type of headline you could put on your ad right here. It's gonna pop out right here. I wrote something out, looking for that new white on white Rob merch. It said Jordan, but I'm not gonna run a Jordan ad. So crispy and clean, like crispy clean. If you're trying to recalibrate in the white on white colorway, the Robs, why not? 0.3, check us out. This is what it say on the ad. You could put emojis on there. You could put any type of thing on there. Just don't put sale. That's kind of basic. But you could make another one and add more options. You could have up to 5 options, 10 different images, 5 different headline options. I wrote another one that says, "Hey, it's lit. Get your new Robs now. These shoes could make you fly." I'm not gonna steal Jordan's logo, but if I was Jordan, I'd say these shoes can make you fly. You could also you could edit this information. I think I had it as my digital marketing stuff. So it's gonna edit based off of, it's gonna edit it and show it to you live. So it's gonna show you TikTok search, digital marketing, freelancer, and you could shop now. You could click on the call to action. What do you want to show on your ad? Don't forget to put your website, whatever you want to show it to, because that's what's gonna link to once people click on that ad. And like I said, man, like all the artificial intelligence that this pixel picks up from Facebook, it's gonna let you choose what is the best. What's the best creative? What is the best headline? And based off of what people are choosing, what are people's habits? What are people like? Because we don't know what the people are like. So you gotta test what people like on Facebook, what people are reading, and what images do they like to click on more. The options are endless, but you gotta let that dynamic creative work itself out. And then that's basically it. Make sure your pixel's on and confirm, send it in. That's all it is. Very simple, very basic. And I wanted to show you guys one more thing, the audience insights. So I went on insights, and it shows you like everybody on Facebook. Like if you ever want to look at figure out some stuff, get some inspiration, see how many people on Facebook in Chicago. I typed it in right here. There's 1.5 to 2 million people is an audience on Facebook. 52% are women, 48% are men, and 41% of those women are 25 to 34. Like there's so many interests and details and stuff you could just figure out on Facebook. If you want to see what people are interested in Air Jordan from Chicago, it's going to tell you too, like 31% are women, 69% are men. But like whatever you want to look at, like let's say you want to look at, I don't know, insurance, life insurance. 56% of the people, women are interested in that, and 45% are men. Let's see something else. Let's see entertainment. I can't type. Marvel Entertainment with all that. Let's see Gucci Mane. No. Let's see Travis Scott. See how many people are interested. 34% are women, 66% are women. Like you could target all these people and bring those people to your ad. It's super complex, but man, this is awesome data. I hope this stuff was helpful. If you guys, like I said, if you guys don't have nothing running right now, start building on something now so that you can set something up when businesses resume, from a month from now. Start teaching yourself on Google if you don't understand something. But yeah, this is basically how you run an ad in 2020. Hope you guys liked it. and hit me up if you guys need some help.